What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding a time tracker and ClickUp. Time tracking is essential for productivity, allowing you to monitor how much time you spent on tasks and projects. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to set up a time tracker to enhance your workflow and improve time management. First, visit the ClickUp website, type app.clickup.com, and as you can see, mine is already open. After logging in, click your profile at the top right of the website screen. After that, click Settings. While we are in the Settings tab, click App Center, and at the left side of the screen, while we are in the App Center tab, click Time Tracking. As you can see, this is the app you can use for time tracking. It's up to you which app you can use for time tracking. After choosing, set up your account on which time tracking app you use. For example, I will choose Clockify, so I will click it. While we are in the Clockify, click Install. The new tab will appear, and as you can see, this will only be available for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. For example, you can choose Chrome, so click Chrome. After clicking Chrome, click Add to Chrome. Make sure you have your own account for time tracking, like for example, Clockify like mine. Adding a time tracker in ClickUp is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your productivity. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.